my God, wow.
Yeah. How are you?
Very good, thank you.
So where are you coming from?
I'm coming from Delhi.
And how was it?
अरे ये क्या हुआ?
So ma'am, you are looking really very gorgeous. So,
Thank you.
Can you explain us from where you are coming and from?
I'm coming from Delhi. I had a show there. I had an event there, and I stayed there for a day because I like Delhi shopping. And then I'm here today, just chilling.
Today Modi Sarkar has completed 2 years. So you want to say something about it?
Of course, I'm very proud of him since he's a Gujarati like me. So I'm really proud that a Gujarati human being is controlling and ruling India, and I'm really proud of him. And what he's achieved in 2 years is beautiful and commendable because he's really changed the look of India.
Do you want something from Modi Sarkar to do for celebrity or any star?
To what?
To do something for any celebrity or for any star?
For celebrity? No. I'm liking the way what he's doing and how he's handling India for sure.
Have you seen the Sultan trailer?
No, I haven't. I've actually not got the time, but I'm going to see it today, right now in the car. I'm very excited, and I think whatever I've seen, little bit of pictures and all of that on Twitter, on social media, I think Salman is looking the best.
Any of your projects?
Currently, I'm doing this show on television, which is going to come very soon. So once everybody knows, once I know, everybody will know.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. What, are you guys waiting for somebody also?
तीन साल और कर लें व्हाट कैन आई से मैंने क्या किया उसमें आई वेंट फॉर माई शूट भाई आई वेंट टू दिल्ली आई एम कमिंग फ्रॉम अ शूट सो दिस इज लाइक व्हाट मैन अभी इन पापराजी एज इन इंडिया व्हाट इज हैपनिंग व्हाट इज रॉन्ग विद यू गाइज व्हाट आर यू डूइंग एट द एयरपोर्ट आई वांट टू आस्क यू मोदी साल के 2 साल में मोदी सरकार के 2 साल में ये तरक्की की हमने एयरपोर्ट पर पापराजी आने लगी है
So इनको पहले से आ रही है आपको क्या लगता है?
दिस इज वेरी इंटॉलरेंट ऑफ यू
आज 2 साल पूरे हुए आपको क्या लगता है मोदी सरकार के? Any comments on it?
आई डोंट नो आई मीन ऐसा कुछ देश कहीं से कहीं पहुंच गया ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं लग रहा है मुझे यार फ्रैंकली जैसा था वैसा ही चल रहा है और अभी तो राइट नाउ जिस समय जो ड्रॉट की हालत है सो एट सच अ टाइम सेलिब्रेटिंग एनीथिंग सीम्स रादर पॉइंटलेस फ्रैंकली
Do you want Modi Sarkar to do something for Sultan?
I'll let them know. They won't do it through media, man. Lots to be done for actors. So yes, I've already announced that we need an appointment with the I&B Ministry and the Law Ministry to frame proper regulations and laws, especially for TV industry. Let's see as and when that can be done. But I don't think that is a priority for anyone right now because there are much bigger problems than whatever actors are facing. Thank you.
अरे दादा प्लीज डिस्टर्ब मत सही बात है पापा रखे हमें नहीं करना